Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix recharge failed error on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to buy any item or are trying to recharge your points on the Mobile Legends game but you get an error telling you that the recharge is failed, then in order to fix this, we will need to contact the customer service for Mobile Legends. Go ahead and open up the Google Play Store or iOS App Store first and tap on the search box and type in Mobile Legends and start the search. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of play, then you will need to tap on this first of all and wait for the update to install. After the update is installed and you see the play button once again, go ahead and tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If this fixes your issue, then you don't need to contact the customer service. However, if this still doesn't fix your issue or you are updated to the latest version already, then simply scroll down and tap on App Support. From the drop-down menu, tap on the email address for the Mobile Legends game, and then you can use your email application to send an email directly to the support team. Within the subject section, go ahead and type in recharge failed. Then within the main body section, you can simply type in that you have been receiving recharge failed errors in your Mobile Legends game, and you can also attach any screenshot relevant to it by tapping on the attachment button at the top section. You can then send your email to the team, and once your email has been sent, you will need to wait for a few days to receive your response, within which you will find the instructions to fix this issue and get your recharge successful. And there you have it. That is how you can go about fixing the recharge failed issues in the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.